5 words.
5 words. Five syllables. 5 syllables.
5 syllables. English, Tagalog. English, Tagalog. English.
Hindi, Chinese yan. Hindi ako
Heart.
talo dyan. Bala
Heart.
ko sa buhay
Puso.
mo.
Heartbreaker.
Love.
Alam mo, sasalita. Oh!
Grandmother.
Oh!
Father and
Hindi ako
son.
grandmother.
Grandmother.
Cupid.
Heart.
5 hearts.
Grandfather heart.
Satan.
I love my grandmother.
Sandali mo ang kanta ni
Everywhere.
Jeffrey. Ano kung walang ganyan ba?
Everywhere.
Wala kasi upuan.